murdered.
There's nobody left.
Top squad.
You chill. I'm going to the little launch tower thing. Are there people there?
I'm not sure. I don't know.
Okay. See you.
Did my own, but I'm bound.
Alright, see you.
Just get the fuck out of here and don't come back. Some heavy shit's going on.
What are you doing?
Hey, do y'all need anything?
Just shield.
Come up here.
Shields? I don't really have a whole lot. You...
Practice school.
Holy steady watching me. Every day they copy me. Every day they copy me.
Juice.
Holy steady watching me. Every day they copy me. Red alert. Arms and dangerous. I keep that drop on me. And they ain't looking for no trouble. I'm just looking out for me. Cause I like it's a talking about no I ain't seeing you, dumbass.
Oh,
No,
dude, I'm sorry.
sure
I'm just
that's
stressed out, man. Holy shit.
Did you just
I
kill
just
a team?
1v3'd him. Yeah, I just 1v3'd him.
Okay.
And I'm running a...
You didn't, like, systematically betray them?
I mean, you
Like,
see that
shooting
they're
them
all
and
in
creating chaos?
You see that they're all in, like, one fat group, you know? Do you need anything?
Sure it does.
They ain't copy. Red alert. I'm dangerous. I keep that drop on me. And they ain't looking for no trouble. I'm looking counting the sign. Yeah, shit the Knicks ain't talking about no.
You're a piece of shit.
Okay, bro.
Hope you feel like a piece of shit when you go to bed. Hope you tell yourself too.
Not in a shy way. For what is a man? Has he got? If not himself.
Il y a un robot.
Ouais.
Il n'a pas vu encore.
Ne faites rien. Ça fera moins de bruit. Non mec, arrive. Bien joué, ça fait.
Fils de pute.
Ah,
Prends la tiro.
Finis-le et remonte.
Fuck! Every time!
So
It's alright, give me up. I got this.
Yeah, you got it.
I'm shooting it.
I'm EMPing him.
Oh, nice.
Oh.
Fuck it up with your axe.
I tried, but he shot me with a rocket on the way down.
Yeah, I'm on it.
Oh my god.
Yeah, I'm gonna get it. Fucking thing. I'm flying so. Oh fuck!
Oh man.
That was insane, dude. What the hell?
I've
Oh
gone
my
up.
god, look at
My
that.
figures are up. Wow.
A leaper. Like this spider, big fucking spider thing outside.
Oh, fuck that.
Yeah, it's fucked. Oh! Oh!
Oh, I died at the elevator.
Just crawl into the elevator. If he sends the elevator down and you're down in it, does it work?
Please, please, no!
Oh!
Come on!
You better get in here. You better get in here. You better get in here.
No! No, Jane!
I'm so sorry. I didn't realize how close you were.
Did she actually get out though?
I did, yeah. I didn't realize how close you were. I'm so sorry.
I was right. Did you send it down?
Yeah. I did. Well, I'm so sorry.
I was
thought you
right
were
there.
further.
I was
I thought
right
you-
there.